Bhí sé in an déileo le gnéthe eile den crí, mar ampla cuasaí sportáil. Joxer goes to Stuggart fish ar ceann des na písaí is fearr riomh ag scrí éile.
Well, thank you very much. I was here earlier on today doing a sound check. I would like to apologise very much to the director of this programme here tonight because I just have to change my script. And the reason I have to change my script is I walked on the stage tonight and the first person I saw when I walked on stage tonight was Mr. Jack Charlton. And it's the first time I've ever had the pleasure to sing a song for him, and I have a song that I want to sing specially for Jack tonight. It was in the year of '88 in the lovely month of June, when the gadflies were swarming and dogs howling at the moon. With rosary beads and sandwiches for Stuttgart we began. Joxer packed his German phrase book and jump leads for the van. Some of the lads had never been away from home before. 'Twas the first time Whacker put his foot outside of Inchicore. Before we left for Europe, we knew we'd need a plan. So we all agreed that Joxer was the man to drive the van.